Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize divorce papers. Notarization adds a layer of legal validity to your divorce documents, confirming the identities of the signers and their willingness to sign. This process is crucial for many legal filings, ensuring that your paperwork is properly executed. We'll cover the essential steps, from preparing your documents to meeting with a notary, making the process straightforward and stress-free for you. Let's get started on securing your legal documents. Before you meet with a notary, it's vital to prepare your divorce documents thoroughly. Double-check every page to ensure all information is correct and complete. Remember, you should never sign the papers beforehand. The notary needs to witness your signature. Filling in all blanks or marking them as N/A prevents future complications. This careful preparation saves time and ensures a smooth notarization process, helping you move forward efficiently with your divorce proceedings. When you meet the notary public, bring your unsigned divorce papers and a current government-issued photo ID. The notary's primary role is to confirm your identity and witness your signature, ensuring you sign willingly and knowingly. They will then apply their official seal and signature to the documents. Be prepared to pay a small fee, usually between $2 and $20 per signature, for this service. This step legally validates your documents, making them ready for submission. Once your divorce papers are notarized, the next steps are crucial for completing the process. First, make several copies of all notarized documents for your personal records and for any other parties involved. Then, promptly file the original notarized papers with the court clerk in the correct jurisdiction. This ensures your divorce proceedings move forward officially. Finally, store a copy of these important documents in a safe place, easily accessible for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.